Hi, this is the demo of the POS system. So there is two parts in this one. One is the main admin page and one is the POS page. Both of them will have this login page. So first I will explain the admin page. So admin page, you will have a username and password, and you will actually start with the company, whatever company this one, and you will press login. So once you are logging in, you will have a dashboard and all the details, like what is the recent sales, what is the recent purchase, age analysis, suppose if you are having any other thing. So next comes the customer. You can add your customers in here. Okay, then you can add in your customers. You have a supplier master. You can add in all your suppliers in this one, and whoever is the employee, you can add the employee also. Next is you can place sales order, sales quotation, credit note. This is POS. I will come back to that now. You have all your sales report. You have your purchase, the requisition purchase order. So you can add a new purchase requisition by mentioning the supplier and all the items. From where the items, you can have the items from the inventory. You have the item master. You have all the category. You can make it as category items and everything. Okay, so you can make the purchase, then you can make the purchase order. You can make the purchase order. You can make the purchase invoice also. Directly you can make the purchase invoice also, or you can make a purchase requisition and then convert it to purchase order. Then you can have the purchase invoice. Okay, then you have the purchases by your supplier. In inventory, this is the item master. So you have all the items mentioned here. Then you will have you can add a new item. Okay, so all the base unit, the cost price, the retail price, description of it, any size, brand, barcode if necessary, all these things you can add. Then you have like a category, whether it is a finished good, or you can give like a different categories, and you can mention the categories here. This is category type. Okay, you can have it in a different way, how you need it, whether it is a raw material, whether it is a finished good. Suppose if you want to split that into different things, you can do that part. So this is inventory, and you have your inventory reports. You can check always your stock balance and everything. There is a finance part in which you can make receive payment, receive your you can receive payment from the customer. You can make a payment to the supplier. There is like a general payment vouchers. See, all you can do is enter all these details, whether it can be bank, cash, all these things. Then there is an expense part also, wherein which you can make an expense, which is the account and how much is the account, whether it is tax enabled or not, and how much is the you can put any reference here and you can save. So next is you can have your statement of accounts, profit and loss, how much you have the customer, supplier, all these details you can put here. Here this is related to POS, what is the terminal. Suppose one computer, two computer, so each one you can make it as terminal. Okay, then there is users. You can create users here. Okay, based on that, like you can give the, if they wanted to give a discount percentage and all these. There is a tax setup, there is payment terms, there is payment types, then there is expense types. If there is any salesman, you can always use different currencies. It's all up to you, like you can make those things. Now we will go into the we will go into the POS. So POS, it will open in a separate this one. So you will first select one. Okay. When you open the first time, then it will ask for the day start, how much is the amount. So you will give the amount, how much you have cash. Okay, so if I put 500, then you will start the day. Then it will automatically, you are ready. Here on the left hand side, this is the category. On the right hand side is the this thing, the items. So in each category you can just add, you can add the items by clicking, or you can actually, if it is a touch screen system, you can touch. So you can just add. You can actually increase the price, decrease the price, give quantity like this. Okay, you can increase the quantity, or you can click. Even like you can just search by name. If this is there, so automatically one quantity is added. Suppose you can add by barcode also. So if you see here in the inventory, in the item master, there is barcode. So if I put this barcode here, so automatically that item is added. See, so finally, like here you will have the POS amount. This is the due amount, this is the tax, this is the subtotal. So they are going to make payment by bank transfer or cash or check, credit card, online payment, whatever it is. Suppose if I am pressing cash, so this is the cash, you will update. Then there is checkout. So once you check out, like this will automatically print in your POS receipt printer. Okay, so next is, if you want, then next it is ready for the next one. So you can actually add the next one also here. Then in payments you can say like by credit card or cash. Suppose if you want to make two payments, so you can actually say like 590 they paid by cash and balance by credit card. So you can just make an update, so that payment terms will be there. If you want to change, you can come and always change. Suppose like 5.10 120 they paid by cash and balance by credit card. So this one also it's possible. You can actually change how you need. Okay, so this way, like this way you can actually make the and you can check out. Suppose you don't want to make it, like you can press this reset button, so it will reset. Now like if you want to make, you wanted to make day close, you can make day close. You wanted to receive payments from the customer, you wanted to make any payments like expenses, you can do it here directly. Add new payment, and you can just make the payment here. You can see all here itself. Similarly, receipts, add new receipt, you can search the customer and how much they are paying, all the details will come here. Basically it will be in walk-in, but if you wanted to search for any name, you can search by their name, number, email ID, have anything. Okay, basically it will be in walk-in. Like this you can search. So other things are like, if you want to search a previous one, so you will see all these things, you will actually see here. And another by the date and everything. You wanted to see what is the details which is purchased, you can see like this also. Okay, suppose if you want to view this in this way also, you can view. There will be two options will be coming, void or refund. If you press refund, it will come here. Okay, if you press refund, like all the details will come here. You can remove whichever you wanted, or you can keep in whichever thing you needed. Then you can select like add payment. If you wanted to payment, then you can say like how much you wanted to make the payment amount. Otherwise this will go to the selected customer's account. If you void, it will be cancelled, and you can see that one also. Okay, So this is the overall idea. There is many other things are there. Suppose if this is actually manager can also go. Suppose if I wanted to go for, you wanted to give not all these things, only for the POS, you can just mention the POS and say how what is the password, and so directly it will go into the POS part. They just, so this is how like you can actually all what is entered you can actually always see here, whatever they made. Credit notes are like the refunds which is made. So all these details like you can see here. Okay, you can also make a purchase return by using the debit note. Okay, you can make all these. So we can actually give you a in detail demo also if needed, and if you want to make any changes you can make the changes.